In today's video, we're going to walk through how to connect Shopify to GoHighLevel for unified marketing. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been running your Shopify store and managing your marketing separately, this tutorial is going to show you how to bring everything together so your sales, emails, and automations all work in one place. Let's get into it. So first off, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing platform that lets you manage your website automations, text campaign funnels, emails in one dashboard. It's designed for service providers and agencies, but e-commerce brands are starting to use it because of how powerful it is for follow-ups and customer retention. With GoHighLevel, you can build landing pages, set up automated email flows, run SMS campaigns, and even manage reviews and loyalty systems, all connected to your Shopify data. The real magic happens when you connect it to your store. So every customer order and abandoned cart triggers an automated message that keeps your audience engaged. Now, what is Shopify? Shopify is the store's foundation. It's where you manage your products, inventory, payments, and checkout process. Once you connect Shopify to GoHighLevel, you can bring all that customer and order data into one place. That means you'll know exactly who's buying, how often, and where they came from. And you can automate your marketing based on that data. For example, you could automatically send a thank you text after someone makes a purchase, or a follow-up email a few days later asking for a review, or even a discount code for repeat customers. Everything runs hands-free once you've connected the two systems. Now, why you should even connect Shopify to GoHighLevel? The main reason to connect Shopify to GoHighLevel is to bring all of your sales and marketing data into one unified system. Right now, most store owners use separate tools for email, marketing, SMS follow-ups, and customer tracking, which means a lot of manual work and scattered information. Once you connect Shopify to GoHighLevel, everything flows automatically. Your customers, orders, and products sync in real time so you can manage your entire marketing funnel from one dashboard. This setup is going to help you stay more organized and save time, but also improve conversions. You can create automations that trigger instantly based on what's happening in your store, like sending a thank you text after a customer buys, or a reminder email when they abandon their cart, or even a review request a few days later. You can also build loyalty sequences for repeat buyers and reactivate campaigns for people who haven't purchased in a while. In short, connecting Shopify to GoHighLevel makes your store smarter. It also helps you work less manually, communicate more consistently, and turn your data into real results. Instead of trying to juggle 5 different tools, you'll have one clear view of your customer journey from first click to repeat purchase, all in a single place. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into how to actually connect this and get this set up. So if you don't already have a Shopify account or even a GoHighLevel account, we do have some exclusive links down in the description below. For GoHighLevel, you can get an extended 30-day free trial. And then for Shopify, you can get a 3-day free trial and then $1 per month for the first 3 months. So again, if you already have them though, totally fine. Go ahead and log into each of those now. Okay, so once you're logged in, we're going to start off in GoHighLevel. And what we're going to go ahead and do is navigate to these settings over here. We're going to go ahead and go to integrations, and then we're going to find Shopify right here. We're going to go ahead and click connect. Okay, so we're just going to leave this open right here. Then we're going to go ahead and come into Shopify. So Shopify looks like this once you're already logged in. We're going to go ahead and click apps, and then right here where it says apps and sales channel, we're going to go ahead and click develop apps. And then right here where it says build legacy custom apps, we're going to click allow. Go ahead and click allow. Cool. So what you're going to go ahead and do next with the API, and what you're going to do is go ahead and paste the API access token right here, and then your Shopify store name. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to be able to import all of your elements and then sync settings. Once all of this is done and synced over, this is what you're going to unlock. So first off, real-time customer sync. So every new customer from Shopify is going to automatically appear and GoHighLevel with their purchase history, so you always know who's buying and how often. Next is order-based automation. So you can set up thank you messages, review requests, upsells, and loyalty sequences triggered by real orders. No manual sending needed. Then we've got the abandoned cart follow-up, so you can recover more lost sales by sending personalized reminders via email or SMS directly inside GoHighLevel. Then we've got unified customer profiles. So instead of jumping between platforms, you can see customer data, messaging history, and purchase behavior all in one place. GoHighLevel also has smart segmentation, so you can tag and segment customers based on orders, frequency, frequency, spend level, or browsing behavior. Then send personalized offers or follow-ups. You can also set up review and loyalty workflows, so you can create hands-free sequences that builds reviews, referrals, and repeat purchases automatically. You've also got SMS and email in one dashboard, so you don't need extra tools. You can send text and emails from the same workflow tied to Shopify events. And last, we've got simple reporting. You can track conversions from your automated flows directly inside GoHighLevel so that you can see which follow-ups are actually driving revenue. Now, after you've got everything synced up, what you're going to want to do after that is create a tag for Shopify customers. So what you'll go ahead and do is navigate to the contacts and then create a smart list. That way, it makes it so much easier to create automations or campaigns to e-commerce buyers later on. So to do that in GoHighLevel, you'll go ahead and go to contacts, and then you can create smart lists right here. So all you'll do is come over here to your contacts, and then you can go ahead and create smart lists right here. So once everything is imported, you can go ahead and select and then add specific tags. You can do that manually and then set it up so every single time you get an e-commerce sale that they are automatically tagged as they come in. Next, you want to set up an automation for new orders. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and navigate to automations right over here, and you can create a workflow. We're just going to start one from scratch. From here, you can create unlimited amounts of workflows. So the trigger is going to be a Shopify order, which once it's all connected, it will be in there. Okay, so the order is placed, and then what we can go ahead and do is maybe send an email just to kind of, thank you for your order, right? Thank you. Send whatever you want in there. Then maybe what we want to do is add a contact tag. So this is where we can, whatever is the product is, we can go ahead and add a tag. So it'll be automatically updated in there. If you wanted to add, multiple tags, you can do that too. Or if you don't necessarily care about what the product is and you just want to know it's coming from Shopify, we can go ahead and add a new tag. We can add a new tag. So every single time they're in this workflow, they're going to get added to that tag. Maybe we want to go ahead and wait. We want to wait 7 days. Okay. And then we'll want to send a follow-up email just, asking, how did you like this? Feel free to write a review, right? So see how easy it is to make all of this happen on the back end for you. Some other things you can do are add abandoned cart recovery. So if you're using Shopify's built-in abandoned cart feature, you can layer GoHighLevel on top for added personalization. So you'd essentially create another workflow with an abandoned checkout, and then you can set it to send a friendly text or email like, hey, for saying you left something behind, here's 10% off if you complete your order in the next 24 hours. A small nudge like that can often recover a big chunk of lost sales. And lastly, you want to test the connection. Before you go live, test the setup. Make a small test order in Shopify and then open GoHighLevel and make sure it appears under contacts and orders. If your test contact shows up correctly and your automation triggers, you're good to go. If something's off, definitely disconnect and reconnect Shopify. That will usually fix any syncing issues. I wanted to touch on some bonus tips so you can make the most out of your integration. So once everything is running, you can use the GoHighLevel and Shopify connection for much more than just order notifications. You can start by creating segmented email lists inside GoHighLevel. So for example, one list for first-time buyers and another for repeat customers. This lets you send more personalized offers. You can also set up win-back campaigns for customers who haven't purchased in over 60 days. So simply filter your Shopify data by last purchase date and send a special discount or reminder. Another great feature is automated review requests. So instead of manually emailing customers for feedback, build a workflow that waits 7 days after delivery like we just did, and then send a thank you message with a review link. Lastly, keep your brand voice consistent. Use the same templates and tone for both Shopify confirmation emails and GoHighLevel automation so your customer experience feels seamless from start to finish. These small touches make your store feel more professional, and they help turn one-time shoppers into repeat buyers. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. You can decide if this is worth investing your time into connecting. So the biggest advantage of connecting Shopify with GoHighLevel is having a single command center for all your sales and marketing. You'll no longer need 5 different apps to handle reviews, text, and email flows. Everything lives in one workflow. It's going to save you time, money, and confusion. The only downside is the initial setup can feel a bit technical the first time, but once it's connected, the system runs itself and you'll rarely need to touch it again. Now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options plans for GoHighLevel. So they have a couple of different options here. They've got the Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro. With the Starter plan, it's $97 a month. You get everything that we just talked about: the email, the funnels, the pipelines, the calendar, the website builder. Everything is included in that $97. You also get unlimited contacts and users, so you can set up as many as you would like, and you can set up 3 sub accounts. So if you had 3 separate businesses, you could kind of set up 3 different sub accounts and workflows, etc. Then we've got the Unlimited plan, which is $297 per month, and the biggest difference between these two is you get unlimited sub accounts. So you of course get everything in the Starter plan, but you get unlimited sub accounts right here. You also get access to a branded desktop app and API access. You can integrate with anything. Then we've got the SaaS Pro plan, which is $497 a month. You get everything in the unlimited, but you get SaaS mode, auto sub account creation, and then rebilling enabled with both the ability to set your own markup and on conversation AI. So if you want to get started with the extended 30-day trial, make sure you use our link down below. So should you connect Shopify to GoHighLevel? If you want your e-commerce marketing to feel more organized, automated, and personal, then yes, absolutely. This setup gives you total control over your customer communication, from first purchase to repeat order. Every message is automated, branded, and tracked. It's one of the simplest ways to scale your store and stay connected to your customers without adding another subscription or complex app stack. As a personal note, I know how frustrating it can feel to be juggling multiple tools to just keep your store running, but the Shopify GoHighLevel integration makes it all so much smoother. One dashboard, one system, and everything connected behind the scenes. If you're ready to try it out yourself, make sure you use our link down in the description below to get started with GoHighLevel, and we also have a Shopify link down below if you're wanting to check that out as well. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping e-commerce creators build smarter and automate more so you can focus on what actually grows your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, drop any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.